Hello, good afternoon, good evening, all. I hope you are all well. So, this is Chola Crypto. Today, we're going to see the price prediction for Polkadot. What are the news that we have on Polkadot this month? And let's also see what exactly Polkadot can achieve in the next couple of months. To start with you today, the current price is at 6.68. That's $6.68. This is one of interesting projects and very, very, very strong projects in the space, in the blockchain space, with some excellent technical people working on it. And Polkadot is currently at what, 12 right now. For whatever it is, it's just on 12. I'm seeing that to be in top 8 or 9 in a very short span of time. Expecting things to go fast for Polkadot. The reason being, there is a Polkadot developer conference happening November 28th this month. That is next month, which is November. So what do we have? The important information out there currently, whatever I see from the coin corp is there is the Sub Zero conference which is going to happen on 28th and 29th as in person in Lisbon, Portugal. Generally, when these conference and things happen, there will be definitely a price pump at that point of time. I have seen several times, especially for the projects which are fundamentally strong. So it what all things they're going to cover in this conference is what I'm looking at. Say its main program includes keynote presentation. You can expect any good news, breakout sessions and workshops with community organized side events happening in both days. So you're invited for the Sub Zero. So this is a breeding ground for developers to come in, learn something, also showcase the talent and showcase their ideas. This is where the real ideas come out. Um, so basically that's going to be only dot for 2 days, and people will only be thinking about the investors will meet developers, new ideas. A lot of funding will happen if things are going well in that sessions. So this is a very very exciting time for Polkadot because this is November 28th and 29th. There is a lot of scope that we can expect a lot of good news from the Polkadot development team, or maybe from founders. There might be some good announcement coming from Polkadot, partnership details, and etc. So I'm expecting this to be a huge conference. It's going to be successful. So given the fact I keep that in mind, many things can happen before this, or it can happen on these 28th. So have an eye on these dates for 28th and 29th. So basically with all that, I definitely see a pump on that date. So currently, what I'm expecting Polkadot to behave in the next couple of days prior to the 20th. We still have one full month, but given the fact, as I always say, the king is moving and the market is looking green, I clearly see a pump happening right now on dot. If you could see, it went up to $5 40 50, and it's coming back to $6.70 now. So it's going upwards, and the first break point I like dot to break is the $7 mark, $7.10, and the next one is $8, $7.94, and the last one is $9.66. If you could see here. So once we break these things clearly, which is very much achievable, the next within next couple of days, if you would ask me, it's been sitting quiet for some time, and also if you could see Polkadot, it did no, we have seen the bottom in Polkadot. This was the bottom, so we are towards the upside right now. uh, I'm expecting the dot will easily, um, clear up $9 to $10. This is going to be an easy target. Once we are out from that, and close to the conference dates, and maybe by 10th or 15th or 20th of that start, I see that clearly breaking out from this one about $9. If we are closing more than $9 prior to that, I clearly see a big pump towards 15 to $16 after that. Yeah, even $11 is also, it's just going to run from 10 to straight away to $15, because this has got a lot of potential. Everybody is talking about dot. Most of the major technical resources that you talk to about, uh, they have a different uh, thinking about dot. So I think from the price aspect, definitely it's gonna break all these 16, 17, $20 with in no means time. But basically we have to get out from this space, whatever I showed you right now, the $9, $10 mark. So guys, I think we have serious business here with dot, and it is not a sleeping giant. It is a giant, and definitely it will wake up ASAP is what I am expecting. If it wakes up now, it's going to eat all these things up. Solana, Cardano, Doge, forget about USD stables and etc. I think it's going to move up faster than anyone in this space, and top five is an easy spot. Like Dodge can also be top five, but I think Polkadot is a better player comparatively, because of a lot of development already sitting within the Polkadot chain, and lot of developments happening, lot of parachain projects. So with the brains like Gavin Wood, I see that this is clearly going 25 to $30 from wherever it is right now. When the market moves up towards, when Bitcoin moves up 28, 30,000, we can definitely see a 25, $30, $40, not $40, in fact, 25, $30 is where I can see dot at this point of time. But you never know. It's going to be on top of everything. uh, it's going to beat most of the projects and move up. So that's what my analysis is. It's a easy 20, $25 wherever I see. Wherever I see here, or I can only see this big picture here, 23, $24, subject to it breaks all these hurdles here. Yes, it will definitely beat because the market is moving up. It's all looking positive everywhere. Let's hope for the best, guys. So don't take this as a financial advice. Don't invest just for the sake of somebody saying. Please do your own analysis. Risk is always there. Invest, analyze, and invest on your own. Thank you, guys. Hope this helped you. So dot is going to moon soon, and that's a dot. Thank you.